Toyota approached Iberdrola Australia with the concept of a solar car park system at the front of the Innovation Centre. The system behind us is designed and installed by Iberdrola Australia with sustainability and circular economy as key focuses of the design.
These solar car parks are a great way for businesses to make the most of their unused space on their car parks. Most of the car parks are relatively flat, which makes the installation and the site management relatively simple. The system that we installed at the Toyota Innovation Center is composed of 292 bifacial solar panels.
The bifacial aspect to it means reflective radiation from the bitumen itself can be collected from the underside, increasing its energy generation capacity. A project like this highlights the opportunity to really utilise and maximise this space, as well as providing amenities and services such as electric vehicle charging.
Another advantage of those solar car parks is the possibility to include some landscaping into the project. For example, some water tanks to collect the rainwater from the structure and plants and make those car parks a bit more welcoming.
This project's a great example of Iberdrola Australia's commitment to help its corporate customers reduce their carbon footprint into the future.